Hello, MOP 210 students. This is your instructor. I just want to make a quick video to show you how to do your Unit 2 homework on EHRgo software. So remember, the first page you're going to land on is Overview and Resources. I want you to go down and click on this activity and download it. Once you download it, you're going to get a progress report on patient Arnold. And this is your instruction page for the patient. Make sure you read through it, and you have been given an encounter data, which is also called as a progress report or SOAP note, which we get from the doctor after he stops seeing the patient. So basically you're getting all the information from the doctor on this sheet, including his assessment for the different diseases the patient has, and which you're going to use to code your EHR software's claim form. Okay, that is what you do. Submit a claim form to the insurance company for the different diseases the doctor did and for the different procedures the doctor performed. We don't see any procedures here except the evaluation management, which is already given to you on your homework content page. So make sure you find the CPT code on your content page. Once you download that, go to Launch EHR and click on New Session. Under the main menu, click on Accounts. Under the Accounts, click on Claims and then click on New. Scroll down. You're not adding any of this information. It should already be there. You will add the ICD-10 code by clicking on Add Diagnosis. Looking for the closest code you can find for sinusitis as per your progress note. So go back, see what kind of sinusitis is it. You just don't click on see. Do you see how many sinusitis we have here? You are going to make sure that it is acute, if it says recurrent or not, if it's maxillary, which is the location, if it is unspecified, or if it's specified. Select whichever comes closest. I'm just selecting a random one. If you have any more diseases, do the same thing again. Look for the correct diagnosis, add, and then once you do that, scroll down, add a procedure. Remember, we already have a procedure on the content. You follow the same instruction as we did for diagnosis. At the end of that, you post and save. Okay, so when you post and save, make sure you close the session, because you can see right here it says, don't forget, close your session to save your work. Once that happens, you're going to go to Download Work and click on the one that you just saved. It will give you the time and date if you have done multiple. You can do as many as you want because you have the choice. This is something that you can really practice on, learn more, go through the different things to see how you find a patient, how do you add information, how do you look into their account, how do you look at their appointments or make an appointment. Everything. It's a great software to practice. So if you have too many, make sure you download the correct one and save it on your computer, submit it in your Dropbox. If any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Good luck with everything.